This is a little mend I'm going to share with you. I've been putting it off. It was a challenge sent to me by Izzy from Glasgow Apparel Exchange. This is a double knit rib. You can see a rib on the front, rib on the back, and there were lots of little holes in it. So I've gone over the whole jumper and mended the little holes. That's the most obvious. There's some there. It didn't take very long just to put them together using that knitting method of going back and forth and tying the fabric over the hole with thread. Next, I had to think what to do about this bit. This was the big problem. It's an irregular, can't see it properly. It's an irregular hole. Obviously something has been completely cut out of it. And because this fabric will fray, and this stripy one, I couldn't just put a patch behind it and go over the edge. It was also a peculiar shape. So what I decided eventually was to take an old cotton t-shirt, bit of an old cotton t-shirt, cut a rectangle, stitch it across the top under the neckline, then trim that off, stitch it down the sides and back. But you can see it's slightly irregular. This is looser because it's single knit, and this is a rib. It's stretched slightly as I've sewn. So now I'm putting in a running stitch in embroidery thread, and so that I can make a gate design in it, I think. I'm using 6 threads of embroidery, so it's quite hard to pull through the yarn, pull through the fabric. But I didn't want to use a single one, 3 strands, because I felt that you wouldn't see it enough. So it's all a bit irregular and a bit higgledy-piggledy, but eventually it wouldn't matter if a child was running around in this, doing fun outdoors things. It'll work.